Hey there! Watch this video for the fastest way to get familiar with Subset. The first thing you'll notice is that Subset starts on an endless canvas where you can drop in blocks. The point of the blocks is so you can separate out your data from your analysis and you can easily use your files in the future. Let's jump right in and start with creating a mini database. First, let's create a grid block. Now you can change the size of a grid block by clicking and dragging in the corner or on the sides of each block. Next, I'll just name my column headers. Now I'll just fill out my grid. You can write text, numbers, reference other cells, and even formulas. Just remember all formulas need to end with a closed parentheses. Now that I have my data in here, I want to format my numbers properly. You can select the range of cells, or you can select the entire column and just click the formatting from the tooltip that shows up. I also realized I made way too many rows, so I'll click the title of the block and click the trim button. You'll see that this tooltip differs from the formatting tooltip because it has features that pertain to the block. In the last column, I want to write a formula and drag things down automatically. So all I have to do is write a formula, select that formula, and click the autofill down button. Now as I add new entries to this database, this formula will always be dragged down to the bottom of the block. Lastly, I'll apply some summary statistics at the bottom of the grid, and look at that, you have a fully reusable spreadsheet database. Next, I want to show you how we can use the filter blocks. Filter blocks allow you to filter any block on the canvas. Just select the block by its name. For this example, I'll just select the database we have already created. Once you've selected a block, you can right-click any column and decide to pick any filter. Future edits to the original database block will flow through this filter. Next, let's touch on charts. Charts works very similarly to filters. Every chart is created linked to a sample data block. You can update the data directly in the sample data chart, or you can just switch the block that each chart is connected to. All you have to do is select the chart and swap out the block that you want it to connect to. One more block that may come in handy is the text block. In this example, I'll just write some additional information that may help the end user or my future self. And look at that, we've built a fully usable spreadsheet template that we can use in the future or pass to one of our friends. Now that I'm done, all I have to do is click the share button and add my teammates. Also check out our template library where you can copy and use someone else's template. Just click the template button in the left-hand side. Now that you know all the basic functionalities, you're ready to get going with Subset. Have fun!